So this is Unit 11. In Unit 11 we talk about some muy importante things. Those are two little easy songs to illustrate two quite important little pieces of the musical puzzle. So the pentascale, if you don't know, is the first 5 notes of the scale. So you're doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on each hand. If you're with me, I probably made you do too many of these already, so you should know. But there's 12 pentascales, and if you want to get more into that, ask me at lessons. And if you want to know what this scale is all about, well, it's the first 5 notes of your scale. Your regular scale is 7 notes, and we have like all cross-unders on the piano, and it's a little bit more technical than the pentascale. So if you want to learn about that, which you should, you can check out my video on C scale. Hey! Hey! Type that in YouTube, you'll find it. You probably don't want to learn that yet. So first of all, start with the first 5 notes. We're going to be going into those scales, so you should dabble with them because they're fun. But it may be a little bit hard to do 2 hands at first. So this is a little easier to do 2 hands. I'm going to use all white keys for the C pentascale. And let me give you a little history about what that is and how that ties into the next concept. A pentascale kind of has 2 meanings. Penna means 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and scale means scale. Actually, scale means, in Latin, it means ladder. So if you look, we're kind of walking steps up on the ladder. That's why we call them steps and skips and stuff like that, because they're little steps up to the next note. We take every letter until we get up to the same note. Okay? So G to G, you have 7 steps to get there. C to C, you have 7 steps. As you saw a second ago, sometimes there were sharps in those scales. Again, if you're really interested, ask me and we'll start doing some of those. Very fun, very important. But we don't need them yet. What we do need to know is the parts of that scale. Each part of that scale, each one of those 7 letters has a meaning and function within a piece of music. The first note is called the tonic, the 5th note is called the dominant. In whatever key you're in. We'll talk about that as we go too, but for now, C would be your tonic and G would be your dominant. But it is not always C, it's the first note of your scale. Okay? Those have a function within our piece. A tonic is going to give you a restful feeling. So if you listen, I could do something that will make you annoyed. Listen. Just doesn't sound right, does it? Now it sounds right. When you add the tonic, it fills in that gap. It's that home, it's that restful feeling. If you did something without a tonic, it just doesn't sound right. Nah, not quite. Just doesn't feel right. The tonic makes you feel like you're back at home. Okay? The dominant does something similar to that. For now, just know what they are, know what they mean, and play around with these songs. In this chapter, we're going to build off those concepts, so just make sure you got that understood, do the theory, and make sure everything's copacetic. Let me break down the song for you real quick. We have some crossovers. But it's using all tonics and dominants. The next line, the right hand crosses over. Make sure you count that ending. It looked like I didn't, but I did. So, make sure that's in beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay? Counting is good, and tonic and dominants are good. You have fun. Go scale crazy.